so it wasn't love at first sight. But after 3.5 years, Katelyn and Wally kept finding themselves together. They were at an emotional time in their lives which brought out the best in each other. And during this time, Wally showed his thoughtful, kind, and helpful side to Katelyn.
Well, Katelyn dazzled Wally with her confidence, her humor, her up-for-anything attitude. After some time, fireworks finally went off and they fell in love.
Everything, and I've been waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive. I wouldn't miss it for the world.
I loved Katelyn literally from the minute that I met her. And I know that your dad is very proud of you for having chosen Katelyn and someone who has that attribute of loyalty to be your wife, because he had the same thing in your mom. I wish you both a life of love and happiness and friendship and joy, and I can't wait to see what the next chapters hold.
As is true for any relationship, we've had our ups and downs. We don't always see eye to eye, and we might be the two most stubborn people here today. But even during our little tiffs, I've never doubted your loyalty or your love for me. I promise to show you that same level of loyalty and love no matter how hard life gets. Wally, you're everything I hope for in a partner and more, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you by my side.
Since the first day we met, I knew there was something very special about you. You have that energy and charisma that always draws the attention of others. I fell in love with your qualities, your quirks, and your positive outlook on life. You make me feel happier than I could ever imagine and more loved than I ever thought possible. You are the strongest and most beautiful woman in this world, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with my best friend.
Now share your very first kiss as husband and wife.
You can't always pick your mate for your kids, so you trust their judgment that they will make the right choice. And I think Katelyn made the right choice. You two, I love you both. I think you're going to have a very long, let's try not to do this, and wonderful marriage together.
I know that your love for each other is profound. I can't wait to see what your marriage has in store for you. You know, when life throws its inevitable challenges your way, that I'm 100% hammering a bet on you guys, because you guys kick ass and are rock stars, and you always have been. I'd like to propose a toast to the newly wedded Mr. and Mrs. Cosette, and to many years of happiness.